Hello guys, today we are working with two cute penguins and we will use my watercolor pencils. Here they are, and we will use orange, dark blue, pink, and that is that. So these three colors, and these colors are from Faber Castell, and this one is Caran, and we will use of course a little bit of water, one brush, size, which size is this? Size 6. And here is my sketch, which I found on Pinterest. So it says CBT art. So I will try to recreate these cute penguins. So first, day bigs. Here we will use only on the edge our colors, and then we will add water. So big on this one, and then it's going a little bit of everything is dark blue. And this is really super easy. So now we are adding our pink all around this blue. And now when we add water, I think it will be, so I need also a black. For the eye, I remembered that we will need black for eye. Like this, and then these little legs of how is that called? On penguins, they are not paws, it's something else, but I can't remember. So orange, and this black. So that is that. And maybe a bit of pinkish here also, and here, like this. And now the other penguin. And then also this blue and pink all around. Oops, I never try this colors. Soluble in water. We will see how this will go. Okay, first we want to add now, or maybe no. First we will try just like this. First our little bigs. And now the snow. The snow must be from lighter blue, and that is that one, also from Faber Castell. And we will add some shadows like here and there. Like this, to show this snow. And then maybe if I add a bit pink. And I think that's enough. A little bit penguins. They're already dry. Just this part need to be dried. They're cute. Penguins in love. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.